During these next 3 days, we will witness exceptional athletic performance, high pageantry, and the celebration of representing one's country at the high level of competition. I declare these 2025 ICU European Cheerleading Championships open.
Cheerleading is, as we say in America, more than a sport. It is a sport, but it's more. It's entertaining, it's young, it's telegenic.
So it's so much more than putting on a uniform or a costume and taking stage and performing. It's discipline, it's hard work.
Zelo dinamičen šport.
And you watch it, I think it's very easy for individuals to get hooked. We say hooked, where they experience cheerleading for the first time. They see the passion, the camaraderie, the fun, the energy.
You get to pick some of the best music. It's exciting, engaging. So that in and of itself is uplifting. So that part of the sport, combined with the fact that you are part of a team, you get to have all these wonderful people around you all the time that become truly like family. And then you get to take this athleticism and perform it on stage.
The trust in teammates is everything. When you go on that mat and you're competing, you have to believe that everyone on the mat is going to do their part. Being able to work together is a big part of this sport.
Mislim, da večina ne pozna cheer športa oziroma cheerleadinga in performance cheera v taki luči, kot ga poznamo mi. Tako da jim je nekako treba na nek način, da je njim prijazen, predstaviti ta šport, kako vse skupaj poteka, da bodo znali predvsem prepoznati razliko med cheerleadingom in performance cheerom in nekako, da bodo videli, da to niso tiste navijačice, kot nekateri imenujejo, ampak da je to resen šport in da so to res pravi profesionalci.
So when we started the International Cheer Union, we really wanted to focus on kind of the skills like partner stunts and pyramids. And this is for cheerleading. There's also performance cheer as well. And so when we started that, we wanted to set a standard of cheerleading that involves the crowd with the cheers, also focuses on the partner stunts and the pyramids and the basket tosses and leading the crowd. And then in performance cheer, of course, with precision in the palm routines, jazz with the technical difficulty, and then hip hop being more the street style. So it hasn't really changed, but what has changed is the participation. It's grown globally. There's over 10 million athletes around the world in all these countries, and it's been kind of, again, a great journey to watch cheerleading grow, and there's more standardization in terms of rules and safety. And so I think in the way that it's changed, it's been the same, but at the same time it's just really grown very quickly in the ICU format and with the ICU safety standards in place. So cheerleading began at sporting events in the United States with American football, basketball. Cheerleaders were originally students that just wanted to bring energy to the game.
Leta 1869 se odvije prva uradna tekma ameriškega nogometa. Relativno kmalu potem se temu pridružijo organizirane skupine študentov, ki te takrat univerzitetne ekipe spodbujajo. Recimo iz 80-ih let pa lahko najdemo že marsikakšen posnetek, kjer pač delajo elemente, ki so z današnjega vidika popolnoma neprimerni v smislu dvojnih rotacij, 4 ali 5 nadstropnih piramid. Ne vem, se postavi piramida v 3 nadstropja in se potem cela sesuje po tleh, punce naredijo preval. Mislim, jaz si ne predstavljam, kako so to trenirali.
When I started in cheerleading, I was in college, and it was just, it was a position that people looked up to as a position of honor, and you were in a leadership position, represented the school, not only at athletic events, but alumni events. And then after college, I had a job working as an instructor, just teaching cheerleading at summer camps. That was an interim position. I was going to go to law school. And then came up with the idea of adding all the athleticism that you see in cheerleading today, and developed the techniques to actually make that possible for teams to learn and to use at their games. There were no competitions at that time. And it became very popular. There was a need. I was fortunate enough to be able to create a company that actually took those different techniques, and we taught them. We trained instructors, and it grew from in the southern U.S. to the entire country.
Didn't know cheer would grow globally like it has. At the time, I just enjoyed it because of the sport. I enjoyed the camaraderie, the athleticism. I enjoyed it as an athlete, as a coach. I thought it was exciting, but I really never thought it would grow globally.
I think with the internet, that it was around and people had seen it on television, some, but with the internet, people all over the world began to see what American cheerleading was, and they wanted it. So we were able to send coaches and instructors really around the world to plant seeds.
So I was kind of early on a person in charge of international development for cheerleading. So I started sending people around the world to train, including myself. I would go and train coaches and athletes. And it's just been a very exciting journey to watch it grow globally. When we started off, it was in maybe 5 countries, and now it's in 121 countries around the world. We're Olympic recognized. And to be honest, I really never foresaw this being as big as it is, but it's very exciting to see, very gratifying, and it's been really a work of love. Well, I think for Europe, there's some countries that were first to take on cheerleading, Slovenia being one of those. I think they're one of the very early countries in Europe to take on cheerleading. Slovenia, also one of the first federations to join us.
Slovenija vedno bila na nek način vodilna država, vodilna nacija v cheerleadingu. Sprva smo imeli tudi, glede znanja, smo bili dosti pred Evropo in to znanje smo seveda vedno tudi ponudili drugim v tujini. Sedaj je nekoliko drugače, ne da smo zelo uspešni tekmovalno, ampak tudi druge države so na nek način pridobile na kvaliteti, nas tudi ki prehitele, ampak je Slovenija bila ena izmed držav, ki je dejansko to znanje širila.
Razvoj cheer športa, bom rekel, soočali smo se, pa se soočamo z istimi izzivi, kot se tudi drugi športi. Med korono seveda smo imeli veliko težav, ker so bili pač treningi bolj ali manj onemogočeni, tekmovanja prepovedana, tako da takrat seveda smo utrpeli nek padec števila članov, ampak kot rečeno smo ga že kar dobro sanirali oziroma smo že celo čez številke pred korono. Razvija se pa, jaz mislim, da dobro. Držimo nekje isto število društev, ampak to pomeni, da tudi nova nastaja, seveda se tudi kakšno društvo odloči, da bo prenehalo z delovanjem ali pa se morda združi s kakšnim drugim društvom, tako da število nekje ostaja enako, okoli 20 aktivnih društev, preko 1000 tekmovalcev registriranih, na kar smo ponosni. Je pa treba vedeti, da je cheerleading oziroma cheer šport v Sloveniji eden od mnogih športov, ki so razviti, da je, bom rekel, že med samimi športi ogromno konkurence v Sloveniji. Slovenci smo dobri športniki nasploh.
Je pa tudi, bom rekel, zelo pomembno, da smo zraven tudi na nek način na funkcionalni ravni, torej kot neki funkcionarji v mednarodnih zvezah. To je tako v Evropski zvezi kot v Svetovni zvezi, v ICU, pa ne samo jaz, tudi drugi. Ker na te pozicije nam dejansko zagotavlja, da smo skozi v stiku z nekimi novostmi, da tudi vplivamo na razvoj, bom rekel, na najvišji ravni in na nek način da tudi zagotavljamo, da je sistem fair, tako za naše športnike, za Slovence, kot tudi za vse ostale.
Some of the milestones that we had, of course, is the launch of the European Championships. I've seen over the past 20 years the growth and development of the sport in Europe and just the excellence in terms of skill and technique and coaching.
The European Championship in Slovenia was an awesome event. It was really well put together.
I have been blessed to be here many times and truly a gracious host here. They have made every effort to see that all the participants and athletes have had a great experience, and this is common. This is how they are. They are very caring and generous and kind and hardworking, and that's why their teams have always been so excellent and continue to excel.
Mi imeti Evropsko prvenstvo doma je absolutno v prvi vrsti super za naše tekmovalce z tega, bom rekel, malo bolj finančnega vidika, absolutno pa izjemna priložnost za to, da širši slovenski javnosti, morda tisti, ki še ne ve, kaj cheeršport je, ali pa si morda nima prave slike ali pa prave predstave, predstavimo naš šport na drugem največjem portalu oziroma odru. Takoj za svetovnim prvenstvom je to drugo največje tekmovanje v našem športu.
Mislim, da bomo zelo veliko dosegli že s tem, da ta šport ne bo več smatran kot samo navijanje in skakanje s cofi sem in tja, ker je veliko več od tega. Vidijo, koliko dela, koliko truda je vloženega v njega in v bistvu, kako dobri smo Slovenci na tem področju.
My coaches and teachers taught me more than just how to point my toes, right? They taught me life lessons. They taught me that commitment and dedication and perseverance. You can do anything you want in this world.
Če si pripravljen pač dobesedno ure in ure v to vlagati, sigurno lahko postaneš dober, ker je mogoče specifika športa ta, da veliko profilov najde pozicija. Je pa tako, kot sem rekel, če si pač pripravljen v to vlagati, potem so v bistvu dobrodošli vsi.